In this video, I will show you how to create a new tenant. So I logged into my Azure portal and navigate to Azure Active Directory. I go to Manage Tenants here, and there is this Create Tenant here, and I select Azure Active Directory as the tenant type. So I will give it a organization name of Manju Tenant. Domain name I will keep the same, and just for the clarity, I will name Manju Tenant auth, and initial domain name is Manju Tenant. Then I will click on review and create, and I'll click on create. So I will type in these characters, and a tenant creation will take some time. So I will be back once tenant is created. Sometime I will go back to Azure Active Directory, and I'll click on Manage Tenants, and you can see that Manju Tenant organization has now been created. So what I will do is I will click on this and mark it as default tenant. So I signed out and signed back in and go to Azure Active Directory again. And this time you can see that it directly takes me to my tenant, which was marked as default. That's how you create a new tenant in Azure Active Directory.